Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we're going to have issue 29 of Build Your Own Disney's Doll's House. Okay, so we get some accessories with this one. As you can see, I'll show you them in a sec, and we're also continuing on with the basement. So our accessories are in there, and we get all these parts here for the continuing the flooring. I believe that's the last section of the flooring. So let's get to the right page. Yeah, so we are finishing assembling the basement floor. So this is going to be the floor of the basement. Basically, yeah, it's exactly the same as what we've done in the last issue. We're going to add this down onto there, and yeah, we're going to attach that onto there. So we've got this long like that. Then we're going to make sure that it's supported all the way around, just like that. We're going to put the rest of the beams in just like that. By the end of this one, that is what we should have. So yeah, not too much to do in this video, just finishing off the basement floor. So this one shouldn't really take that long. And yeah, we'll take a look at these accessories as well. So without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. Okay, so let's take a look at the accessories first. As you can see, we get a little palm tree. That's very, very nice. We get this. I don't know if that's, what is that? Does it tell us what that is? Is it a towel or is it a cushion? It's a cushion for Donald Duck. These are all Donald Duck's accessories. So that's Donald Duck's palm tree, Donald Duck's cushion, and Donald Duck's surfboard. That's very cool as well. Okay, so we get a basement panel E, I believe this is. Yeah. So this is basement panel, floor panel E. So we get 3 other little parts as well. So the first one we're going to want is the one marked C, which is this one here. So this is the one we're going to use. This one is going to be going down this edge here. So first things first, let's get this covered in glue. So let's get a good helping of glue all the way down. And down there. Covered that. As this one's going this way, we want the C facing out the way apparently. I believed it last time and it was the wrong way around, but let's go. So we're going here. There we are. A good push down. That's that panel. Now it wants us to put this straight on. And yeah, let's get it straight on the basement. So first off, let's get this edge covered in glue. Really easy to put any one of these panels or little bits of wood in the wrong way round. So basically you're not going to see any of this flooring once it's done, because it's going to hide a drawer inside it, so you can pull out the drawer. And yeah, that's going to be Winnie the Pooh's room. So that goes to there. So right, let's get this installed. Everything over. This is going on to the end, just here. So let's get that down. One. And that is that on. So clean that up a little. And yeah, now what it wants us to do is flip this over and we can attach some parts on the back. Alright, so we've got that flipped over now. Alright, so now let's get the last 2 panels on. So we're going to take the one labeled D. We're going to put some glue all the way down here. Now this one is going down here with the letter D facing out, and you should notice that all of the panels on the back have got the letter D on it. I will show you that. So as we turn this round, the D and all the D's match up along that row there. So yeah, all your D's should be that row there. Alright, so our last one is obviously going to slot onto here, so we're going to want plenty of glue on this side here. And that's that. And now let's slot this into place just like that. Now you should be able to see all the holes through all of these all the way through. That's that one. That's that one. And yeah, that is basically it. So I can't really show you it because it's that big. It's just as big as the actual doll's house. So I'm going to basically what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to flip it over and sort of bring you in so you can see it. So I'm going to start down there, scroll all the way down, should be fitting perfectly together just like that. So now I'm going to actually sit the actual doll's house on this to keep it flat. Yeah, if you've got some weights or something just to make sure that it's all perfectly flat and not warped or anything like that, I'd recommend doing that. So there you are, guys. I've put that underneath there. That's going to help weigh that down till that glue all dries together. I did clean it up, make sure that there's no glue on the top, so when I put this down it's not going to glue that to that, so that's not what we want. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. We've had 2 Doll's House videos in the same week. There'll be one more tomorrow. I've got issue 30 to do. And then, yeah, waiting for the next delivery then. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.